Okay, hello. So today, as I promised, I am going to be drawing that little mushroom guy. But first, make sure to write your name at the top so that everybody knows that you're the one who made it. So I need to write penguin. And if it's to someone, you can write from penguin to somebody. Well, not penguin, but you know. So now we should draw the sun. And then add your little beams. You want to do lines, and then after, I usually make them thicker so that you can color them in at the end. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post new videos. You can add a smiley face if you want, but you don't have to. I'm gonna do a silly face with his tongue out on the side. And now we can add our cute little eyes. I like to add them at the sides. He kind of looks like a chameleon licking its eye. But now let's do the grass. Just some little zigzags. Try to make them not too even so that it looks like grass. There. Then after that we can add some clouds up here. You can add as many clouds as you want. I'm just gonna add 4 clouds because that seems like a reasonable amount. And then some birds up here. My bird friends. I am a bird, so I should be up there. But sadly they left without me. So now let's draw our main piece. So you want to draw the stem. Make sure that it's not too wide at the top. But after that, we can do the top. I'm going to do it a little bit slanted because nothing's perfect. Everything has a little bit of weirdness in it. So I'm gonna do the face pretty low down near the grass. He's so cute. So now I'm gonna add the top of the mouth, that tongue, and color that in. And now we want to go up here and just add a circle here, a half circle here, circles everywhere. So after you're done drawing all of your tiny circles, you want to go and just add some color. So I will go and get my color quickly. Hello, I'm back with my colors. We are going to start off with this cream color. If you have Ohuhu's, not sponsored, it is number 36 cream. So let's go on and open that. I'm using the big boy size to color this in. So as I told you guys, I'm not the best at drawing and coloring right now. If you watched my second part of the broken arm video, the school one, you know that I said that I promised to do this. So here I am coloring in my beautiful mushroom. And you can name this guy. Well, you can name your guy. I'm gonna name this one delicioso. Almost delicioso, but since I don't like mushrooms, delicioso. Okay, so when we are done coloring the stem together, we can start on its head. So let me just finish this up. Clockety-dockety. Okay, so we're done that. Now, let's do the background of the head part. Well, not really the head, but in real life it'd be the head, but right now his head is down there. If you think that you want to put the face up here, you can have like a two-faced, it can have two faces. One face for the top and then one face for the bottom. They will be different peepholes and that'll look very cute. This is going to be for my mom, well, my mom's, for the Mother's Day coming up. And I'm gonna make another one after this for my other mom. My other mother, if you've watched Coraline. So, yeah, we are just finishing up coloring the head, make a big line. I like it when I can do those, but sadly, usually they don't come out that good because they start to fade. So, I'm gonna just color that in. Okay, so we've colored in the head, and now we want to add some blush. You don't have to add this, but I just want to because it'll look cute. Hopefully this works. As you guys can see, I'm not a professional artist. I have had no classes, but want to know the most important thing? It doesn't matter if it looks good. It can look terrible, but the best thing is that you'll have fun drawing it. If you aren't having fun, it won't be worth it. So if you like something, do it. If you don't, you don't have to do it. So we're gonna go in and color up this grass. Green grass. You guys can add flowers if you want. I'm not going to because mine is kind of crowded. You guys will probably be using like actual paper, not tiny note paper. This is the only type of paper that I have without going into the scary, scary basement. So we are gonna go ahead, finish up this. I have had a very long day at school. My teacher let me play, so that was good. And yeah, that's basically what happened today. Not a lot of exciting stuff, but in my family, we have a thing where we take turns every Friday picking a movie, and tonight's my turn, and I like scary movies, so I'm probably gonna choose a scary movie for my choice, so that'll be good. I have a creepy doll in my room also. So, yeah. If you went to my house, you'd know that my family just loves Halloween in general. We keep some Halloween decorations around all year, so yeah. My family is obsessed with Halloween. Next year I'm planning to be Harley Quinn. That'll be fun. So yeah. You guys are probably doing a lot better at this than me because you guys don't have a broken arm and you're able to color a lot better than me right now probably. Oh, meh, I'm having fun still, so that's fine. It doesn't care if it is in the lines, it matters if you're having fun. And the fair is gonna be in town soon, so that will be fun. So, yeah. At school, I made some stuff for Mother's Day for both of my moms. It's very tiring with a broken wrist to have to do double everything for Mother's Day, unlike most people, because most people have one mom and one dad. But for Father's Day, I'm probably gonna make something for my sibling, because that's what I basically do every year. Because I've never really had a dad. But yeah, that's fun. Everything's fun. So I'm just coloring around this little guy. Well, he isn't that little. He's taking up a lot of the page. You can color around your name, and that's what I'm gonna do. But you can also color on your name if you want. But I'm making a box for my name because it's very special, the name Penguin. My actual real penguin name that my mother calls me in Antarctica here is That's my penguin name. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. So, yeah, my name is a very traditional name. Everybody in my class thinks is the best name ever. So, yeah. I'm not gonna color in the clouds. You could color them like a gray, I guess, if you wanted to. If it was like raining on the mushroom and he was having fun in the puddles, you could do new scenery if you know how to. But you can change anything you want really with this. So now we're gonna do that guy, that little guy. So I'm gonna color him an orange. You can color him a yellow if you want. It's just because my orange is very close to a yellow for some reason. But yeah, so we can go ahead and color him. Whee! It's okay if you get a little bit of the tongue. That doesn't really matter. And by a little bit, I mean it's fine if you get all of it, because it doesn't really matter. So we're gonna color on up these beams. So then after that, we're gonna color in both of their tongues with a vivid pink. Poof. There. I'm sorry if you have oh-hoo-hoos and you want to know all of these names. I'm sorry, but I just can't say every name. But here's the isn't like the greatest masterpiece of all time, but it will do for a Mother's Day present. And on the back, I'm actually gonna write to Raven. This one's gonna be for Raven only. So yeah, wait, I need to do from Penguin, because it can't just be to Raven. It could be someone from Japan or Nova Scotia even. So I'll have to write Penguin pretty small, but that's fine. Penguin. That's fine. Okay, so yeah, you're done your masterpiece of a mushroom. And also, if you're doing this for Mother's Day, you could add a little baby mushroom there if you want to. But I'm not going to do that because I was already copying something that I made in our last video. And it was like this basically, but the sun didn't have a face and there weren't any birds. And there are a few differences, but like this is basically the same. So yeah, bye guys. Peace out.